Sorry?
I'm sorry, I thought you called for radio.
No, I'm arriving.
Great. 212, your status?
Code 4. Yeah, Guardian 1. They got the whole road blocked off here at Richmond and Dayton.
Copy. Roadway is blocked in Richmond Beach and they're doing donuts.
Yeah, I'm sending for Sam. I don't think they have any idea where they're going, so they're just driving.
Okay, yeah, there's about 50 cars backed up going westbound here.
Blowing stop signs at that cross street. And radio advising there's now a report of a hit and run at the Adam Ford Safeway. Occurred 5 ago while the victim was inside her car. Suspect vehicle is a black Honda Civic.
I'm sorry, how's Adam 12 doing? I'm code 4. I'm good.
We also have a noise complaint that's been pending at the park there for the past hour for a white BMW playing loud music.
Yeah, I saw the call. I'll let you know in a minute if it's here.
And Robert 22, show me in the area of the Shoreline parade.
Copy.
And Robert 22, they've...
Guardian 1.
Go ahead. Guardian 1, go ahead.
Yeah, they're breaking up and heading east again.
Copy, Ethan.